Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. And let's just say that I cannot wait to show you guys the Spring Florals line from the Happy Planner Spring Release 2021. Thank you so much for joining in on all the fun with me. So if you want to see what's in this collection, then you gotta stay tuned to watch this flip through. All right, let's do it. Okay, so first off, we're going to start off with the pin case. And you guys, I'm loving this whole line. That floral is so pretty. You got a gold zipper, the inside is white, and it's a traditional snap-in case for your planner. But I'm loving it, y'all. So cute. Okay, so here we have the half sheets, and they're just your traditional half sheet, but I love that they included that in this line. I love that we have the floral detail in the bottom corner. It's very cute. It kind of reminds me of Happy Hostess in a way. I don't know, y'all getting that feel from it, but I love the colors, and I love that it's dot grid as well. It says all the things on it, and it's front and back, and it's a whole pack of that one design, you guys. So loving it. Okay, you guys, this planner is everything. The cover is it. You got your pink, kind of translucent disc, and y'all, that silver on that front cover detail is I love the inside too with the purple and green. And you guys, that floral detail. Here is our year at a glance page, and then we have our months, 3 months on one page sheets. And I love that we got some purple in there, some pink, as well as like that teal blue color. July is purple, and y'all know that makes my heart happy because that's my birthday month and my favorite color. And here's our monthly, and you have it's very clean down the middle, but you got like a watercolor splotch. It's just a clean spread for the most part. Outside of the color, it's very minimal color. Thin lines all throughout this layout, and very clean. You got some dot grid on the left side, so that way you could just kind of make that space whatever you want. And yeah, I'm loving it. So here's August in that teal, like blue, sky blue color. And you guys, very similar, just different color palettes. That's what they do. They keep it consistent for us. And every third page, every third layout spread has a quote on it. So September is pink, and I just want to show y'all the different colors in it, and very clean, very light too. If you're looking for a pastel type planner spread, then this is definitely one. Oh, and here's a fourth color, y'all. We haven't seen that, and this is kind of like a yellow gold pastel color, and I like it. And we will look at that divider, bloom from the heart. That's beautiful, very beautiful. Oh, y'all see that green, and it has some full detail on it, some leaves. I'm loving that divider too, like just all of it. In a field of roses, she is a flower. Yes. Oh, I love it, you guys. It's very girly. It's very girly. Find your happy. Like, they did an awesome job. Okay, so this probably is my favorite divider in the entire planner because that purple flower on that teal blue background is everything. How rare and beautiful you are. I love how they keep it inspirational for us too. So pretty. And here we have a full out gold foil divider, born to bloom. And then we got let your happiness lead the way. So cute, y'all. Oh, now this was like a pop of color. It got a little brighter on us. Like, I love it. And so here's our note page in the back, and then here's the back cover. So yeah, that's it for that planner, y'all. And the back side is beautiful. It doesn't have gold foil on it like the front side, but it's still gorgeous. I like the black detail, the outline. So such a cute planner, such a cute planner. So here is the other vertical planner. Has the dates on the front. I love that spine with the turquoise disc or teal disc with the turquoise foil. And on the inside it has black and white. And I'm just loving it, y'all. You got this hello page, has like these square, I guess it's like a dotted pattern, but they're square. And then on the inside, now this part does remind me of pressed florals a little bit for that year at a glance page. And then here are our monthly pages. 3 months on one page type pages, year at a glance. And then you have the inside of July. It reminds me of pressed florals because of that floral detail in the top corner, but of course we know it's spring florals. And yeah, you guys, look, that July is yellow, so it does have that color down the middle. And now this color in this planner is a little bit bolder for the dates. And then you have a grid, like the, I guess you could say, detail on the left panel, and that's good too, because dot grid or regular grid is also nice, y'all. And I have to say, I love the currently pages in these because it really allows you to kind of do whatever you want. And you got some faint detail on the calendar, the monthly calendar. But I really love that they gave us these currently pages. Like, we can kind of make them out to be whatever. They give us some functionality, but that grid is nice. Then we have this green palette, this color palette. That's a different color. I haven't seen that in any of the other items, so that's nice. And then we have this October in the yellow, so we're back to yellow. And I love that foil, y'all. Is everything. Oh, and look at this divider, you guys, so pretty. Now this is a punch of color divider, very bright. And then I love this one because it's reminiscent of the coloring stickers. And then we have this beautiful one as well. Then back to that green for March, and that grid type pattern. We got an actual teal but gold foil this time down the spine, but gold foil divider. Then we have this divider. I must have flowers always and always for us floral lovers. I love, you guys, look at this. This is so pretty. Just living is not enough, said the butterfly. One must have sunshine. Like, I love it, you guys. I just love it. Look at these. These are so pretty. So pretty. It's just a girly line. And I'm loving that it's giving me the color that I love. But then at the same time, the pages are very just classy too. So I'm loving all of these feelings. Grow through what you go through. Color the world with your own special kind of bloom. Like, I love it. That stripe is pretty. It's very pretty. Oh, now we got a black and white with some yellow down the spine. And here's our note page. And then we got the black and white back page with Plan a Happy Life. So they kept that simple. But then on the outside, here's our back cover. And y'all, I just love it. This planner, when I saw it, I was like, that's so beautiful too. So here is the big version. Now it is in the dashboard layout, so it's going to be a little bit different there, but same, very similar illustrations, just a different cover. And then the inside is a colorful stripe pattern. Our hello page is identical to the classic, as well as the year at a glance pages, just in the big size. And shout out to the Happy Planner for adding more big options this release, because I know some of my planner besties love the big layout and they actually use the big, and so I'm glad to see that they gave more options for that. That's always a plus, for everyone that's using the big. So, and then too, we got some neutral and we got some color. They give us that shaded box, and then that punch of yellow. Like, it's so pretty. Such a pretty color. Is that marigold? I don't know, y'all. I be trying to guess colors. I'm all into color palettes and stuff for some reason. And like that faint, like, strip of watercolor down the center of the monthly calendar is so nice. And this pink is very like a dainty pink, so cute. And this divider has that black and white stripe down the middle. I really like that. That's cute. And then we have that green color for September. So I'm just showing you guys the colors. And then we're back to the yellow. Okay, so, and that divider is just like the cover to the other planner, so that's pretty. Yep, so pretty. And then we have this divider. It says, stop and smell the flowers every chance you get. Absolutely. That punch, that green is like bright, y'all. It's bright. But I love color with black and white, so this is really making me happy that they kind of mixed color with black and white. I don't know if y'all have ever noticed that about me, but I try to keep that to be one of my aesthetic themes that I go towards. So yeah, I love it, love it, love it. This is giving me life. this lime green outline floral color divider. Oh, balloon. And that divider there is actually, it's not a gold foil, it's a rose gold foil. So I thought that was different. So is this one. This one is rose gold too. Like the stripes underneath, the color stripes are rose gold. And then you have your last divider and note page, and inside of the back cover for the big. And then the back cover of the big is that dotted pattern with the floral in the corner. Such a cute planner. Good job, Happy Planner, with this line, because y'all brought the heat. Okay, y'all brought the heat. This floral loving girl is loving it. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the stickers, and you guys, it has 613 pieces. It's called Colorful Florals. And oh my goodness, okay, y'all see that we got some to-do stickers, we got a long box, we got some full boxes, circles, and I absolutely love, okay, these boxes, I love it because it has that floral detail around the box but colored in. Pretty. Okay, so here we got some flowers, and they are clear, and I love that floral, you guys. It's like somebody colored the flower, but they outlined it with the coloring pencil instead of like coloring it in. And then these boxes are transparent, they're clear stickers, y'all, so we will have to use a special pen for those. And then these are clear, and then we have these full boxes, and I actually like this like floral detail like box too. Oh, so pretty, y'all. Look at these. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like the little text boxes. Okay, so we have Bloom, Grow, and Happy. And I wanted you guys to see that that was like a rose gold color. But they are 3 separate stickers. That's not one long sticker. And then we got some more full boxes and have circles. And then I thought this was interesting. These are not one big sticker. They're separate stickers. But they're kind of like that divider, just in different colors, with the reverse split down the middle. Then we got some more full boxes, functional book. We got some labels that say things like I'm beautiful, I'm positive, just some affirmations that's very nice. Oh, that would be cute to make an affirmations page out of or something, or for your wellness planner. That's nice. Okay, and then we got these boxes, and they are clear, you guys. They're clear, so once again we have to use a special pen for those. And I noticed that they kind of gave us those options in this book, so that's nice, something different. And then we have, oh you guys, these foil florals, so pretty. And then I love these too, y'all. I love these. I believe they will make a beautiful spread. And then we got some more like the conversation text bubble boxes. Some more of those clear stickers, but this time in the black with the colored words. And then we have these like paint swatch quote stickers. So cute. So cute, right? So cute. Okay, and then we have these black and white, and they are paper stickers, so I'm just gonna lift those and show y'all. And then we got some squares, some rectangles, and some circles in that reverse pattern. I like those. Like, y'all, this sticker book is so cute. And I like that they gave us some difference. And you guys, do y'all see the numbers? Yes. I feel like we don't get a lot of numbers. We get alphas, but we don't get a lot of numbers. So I was excited to see that. And we got 2 different patterns of the alpha stickers. So that's really nice. And then here we got these clear stickers. So beautiful. And then like a coloring sticker book. Very reminiscent of those coloring stickers because they're paper coloring stickers. So yeah, y'all, I'm so pleased with these stickers, you guys, and that's it for the colorful floral sticker book. So yeah, so that's it for this line, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching and checking out the Spring Floral line with me. What are you guys feeling? What's your favorite thing about it? Which one of these planners are you loving the most? Are you loving the more softer colors, or do you like that punch of color? And then are you going to pick up the pen case? And definitely you guys got to get the stickers. I'm just saying, we got to get the stickers. We're sticker lovers, right? And then I love the half sheets too, so no complaints there. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching and for being so sweet and amazing. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.